Alright lads, sorry I haven't been out for a bit, just really busy. As you can see, some nice big young ones now, all got rings on them, doing really well. Oh, escapee somewhere here, let's get him back in. Yeah, this bird doesn't want to stay in the bowl now. I think he's all grown up already. There you go. Beautiful. Really happy the way things have gone up to now, to be honest. Birds have come on really quickly, really well. Everyone's looking really healthy. Game on. A nice mealy in there. Gorgeous. So these are the first ones to hatch. These are really big now. Probably about 5 days ahead of the last ones that were born, or that were hatched. Mum and Dad look really well. She say these pigeons aren't even 12 months old yet. These are just the birds we raced as young birds last year. We had to get around at them because the stock birds let us down. She's been very busy. Still trying to get these late breds up the road, ready to go to the old bird scene next year. These are the last ones. These are a good few days behind the others. So they've all got rings on now. It's a bit dirty in there, isn't it? Needs a bit of cleaning. Yeah, they're alright. So just let the cocks in as well, just to be fed. Have a little quick look at these. These are all the spare cocks in here. Probably won't stay in here now, like. Don't be only a couple left. Some of the Eddie Bateman cocks there. Some of the Bull Shark cocks from last year. That's one of the stock cocks. These nice pigeons. Just didn't have enough hands to pair them all up this year. It was a bit of a shame, got some good cocks there who've had no young ones off. But it is what it is, isn't it? So we'll just crack on with what we've got. They're doing alright. They're getting fed 3 times a day. The lad does them in the morning, very early, about 7 o'clock. And they get done about 11:30. And about 5 in the evening. Get the minerals down all the time for them now. Yeah, I'm doing okay. As you say, I'll try and get a few more up. Just find the time in the day with working and all that, just to get something on. But yeah, just thought to show you a quick look at them. Alright lads, take care now. I'll see you later. Bye for now.